How to create a Gmail account for your child. So if you want to create a Gmail account for your child, then what you need to do is first you need to open up the browser. Once you open up your browser, now go with the upper right, which has that profile option, and then go with add account. Once you're under the add account, now here you will have create account option. Simply click on create account and you'll get three options for personal use, for child, and for work or business. So if you want to create an account for your child, then simply go with the option of for your child and go with yes, continue. And now enter your child's first name and surname and go with next. And after that, go with birthday and choose a gender and go with next again. And now you need to enter the username. So just go with the username and go with next. And if it says that the username is already taken, then you can go with the other username. And you need to enter password. So create a password and then again confirm your password. And once you've confirmed your password, go with next and your account will be created. So that's how you can create a Gmail account for your child. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.